Okay.
Penelope, I got a present for you. You want a present? Do you want the present? I got a nice new present for you. I got a brand new collar. Look at this collar. Look at this. Look at it. Here, we'll just put this on right like that. There you go. There you go. You like that? That's nice, isn't it? Yeah, you're dancing. I'd be excited about a brand new collar too. It's all flashy and green. Wow, you must really be excited when you're jumping around. Oh, wow, you look really, really, really happy. Oh, look at her. She's happy.
Good job, Penelope.
Except for it slipped off. Oh, we gotta put this back on. And let me see if I can put it on nice more snug. There we go. That's it. Nice and tight. That way it won't slip off this time, okay? There you go. You look so pretty. You look a pretty little girl. Go ahead. Oh. Yeah, it fits nice, doesn't it? Keep the ball, Penelope. Keep the ball. Things are funny. Got him, cowboy. What is Oh my God! You like it that much? Eh? You gonna play with it? You want to put it back on right? I think it slipped off again. Are you trying to put it back on? You are trying to put it? Come here. Let me put it back on right. Let me put it back on right. Here, come here. Come on. Let me put this back on right. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice and tight.
Oh, poor Penelope.